Just because they keep landing at like being strategic does actually help. They count for every week, but they don't count multiple within the same tournament. So if you were to do Oceania, Asia, Middle East, EU today for the ranked cups, it's only it would only count as one tournament, but multiple weeks count as multiple things. So it should take you about a month probably if you did the OG ones as well. Kai. Okay. The chances of you getting... I mean, I'm not disrespecting how good you are, but the chances of someone getting top 300 to get to Div 2 and then top 20 to get to Div 1 to even be able to play FNCS, unless you're a tier 1 pro, is highly unlikely. It's especially on the EU. I mean, you've got 50,000 people playing. For someone who is just an average player, it's going to be really, really hard to get to Div 1. Because a lot of pros didn't even make it. Yeah, but top 1,000, top 500 doesn't get you to Div 1. You know? How you doing, Robster? I believe that shit. So I've been using a program called Chimp, Microsoft Chimp or whatever. And literally it took up 752 gigabytes on my hard drive. You just want to try. I nearly called last FNCS, but okay. So to go from Div 3 to Div 2, it's only top 300 players. And then from Div 2 to Div 1 is only 20 players each week. Unless you're going to do another region other than EU. Oh. But then on all the other regions, it's only top 100 that go through. But even on Middle East, you're going to need... Yeah. Even 10s did not manage to qualify on Middle East. Or EU, whichever one you did. But obviously try by all means. But if you haven't got a trio and you haven't worked out a strat, rotations, I think it could be a bit challenging. Just saying. I'm being realistic